Today is Fiverr Gig Friday. Fiverr Gig Friday is a day where you get to pitch me your Fiverr gigs and I buy your Fiverr gigs with my hard-earned cash. Hey, what's up you guys? It's Mike Nardi here. On this channel, I talk about Fiverr and all things making money on Fiverr. A lot of my viewers are Fiverr sellers or people who want to sell on Fiverr to make money online. So I put out videos like this one to help you guys in any way I can on that journey of making money, improving and learning new skills, and developing and making money as a Fiverr seller. So in this video, this is the second installment of Fiverr Gig Friday. And Fiverr Gig Friday is something I started a couple weeks ago where I let you guys practice pitching your gigs and services to me, and I'll actually go through those pitches and pick one and buy that Fiverr gig for myself. It's a great way for me to get you guys engaged and share the love in the form of spending a little bit of my own money to test out one of your Fiverr gigs. So for today's installment of Fiverr Gig Friday, here's what I need. I recently created a new YouTube channel. It's called The Mike Nardi Show. Here's a screenshot of it. I need a YouTube banner image created for that channel. I just created the channel. I haven't had time to create one myself, so that's what we're going to use for Fiverr Gig Friday. If you're a graphic designer or someone who thinks you can design a great banner image for me, you should participate. If you want to participate in Fiverr Gig Friday, here's what you have to do. I'm going to create a tweet on Twitter announcing this edition of Fiverr Gig Friday. You're gonna have to pitch me your Fiverr gigs and services by retweeting that tweet and including, a quote in that tweet of your Fiverr sales pitch for why I should choose your Fiverr gig. I'm gonna give it about a week, let some of these pitches come in, and then I'm gonna message someone who I think had the best sales pitch, and I'm gonna buy your Fiverr gig so that you can design my YouTube banner image for my new channel, The Mike Nardi Show. That's really it. I need a banner image created. How I want to pick the person is you need to tweet me and sell your gig to me in the form of a sales pitch, an elevator pitch. And if you remember, I did a video on elevator pitches not too long ago. Here's the thumbnail of that video if you want to review it and brush up on your pitching skills before pitching me your Fiverr gig. But that's it. Go to Twitter, find the tweet, it'll be pinned to the top of my Twitter profile, and retweet it with your sales pitch. I'll give it about a week. I'll go through the sales pitches, and the best sales pitch is going to be one where I'm going to buy your Fiverr gig to design my new YouTube banner image. It's as simple as that. A couple things to remember when pitching your services. You got to remember, what type of service am I looking for? Who am I? And what types of things might I be looking for in a service provider? Keep that in mind. Try to keep the buyer in mind. In this case, I'm the buyer. And do your best to create an awesome sales pitch in just a couple lines. Don't make it super long. I'm looking for quick and to the point sales pitches. And that's it. I'm looking forward to seeing your submissions and your pitches. I hope this is a great learning experience. If you're going to participate, maybe go through some of the other Fiverr pitches of other people who are participating and reply to them and let people know what you think of their pitch, how they might be able to improve, and provide some constructive criticism, because ultimately that's what this is all about. I want us all to improve our abilities to pitch and sell our services, so when an opportunity to pitch to an actual client comes up, you can nail that opportunity, win the order, and make some money on Fiverr. So that's all I have for you. If you want to participate in Fiverr Gig Friday, go over to my Twitter feed, reply and retweet the tweet that I'm going to have pinned on my profile labeled Fiverr Gig Friday, and I'm looking forward to reading your pitches. So thank you all for watching. Get your pitches in, and I can't wait to read them. And until next time, cheers.